How to write fast? Well, coffee. Overdose yourself with coffee. It works. I'm kidding. We are gentlemen and ladies. We do more than coffee, we use techniques. I myself have written 11 books, and over the years, these techniques that I'll be sharing help me with my yearly goal. So, strapped in, get some coffee, and let's start. Many authors face the daunting task of turning their ideas into a compelling story. What if there was a way to write faster and more efficiently? The secret lies in the power of outlining and planning. So I'm sorry, pantsers. Maybe I'll do a video about how to be inspired. Comment if you want that. By outlining your story, you can write with clarity, purpose, and speed. Start by creating a detailed outline of your story, including plot points, character arcs, and key scenes. Break it down into smaller, manageable chunks and set specific goals and deadlines for each section. This will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the writing process. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in helping you write more efficiently. Many aspiring authors juggle day jobs, family, and other commitments, making writing feel like an impossible task. This next technique is maybe something you already do every day, which is managing your time. Yes, manage your time. Plan your day, have a specific time frame where you just write and sit and just that. You don't need 2 hours every day. All you need is 30 minutes, and you can probably spread those 30 minutes throughout the day. But isn't writing all about inspiration? Time management is basically caging yourself to do the task in a specific time. Writing is not about inspiration completely, it's also about perspiration. While creativity is important, consistency is the key to finishing your manuscript. Consistency is king. You need to show up every single time. Try the Pomodoro technique. Write in focused 25-minute sessions with 5-minute breaks in between. After 4 sessions, take a longer break just to recharge. Block out dedicated writing time in your schedule and treat it like a non negotiable appointment, just like a doctor's appointment. And don't forget to use time tracking apps to monitor your progress and identify areas where you can improve your efficiency. We just talked about consistency, right? Many writers struggle with maintaining momentum and making consistent progress on their manuscripts. Daniel Steele. You know Daniel Steele, of course you do. Well, she often complete a book in just a few months using this technique. One of the secrets in writing faster is writing sprints. Set a timer for a short period, like 2 to 15 minutes, and challenge yourself to write as much as possible without stopping. Just focus every bit of yourself on that 2 to 15 minutes. Basically, it's a Cliff Notes version of time management. They're basically twins. Also, writing sprints is a great way to get the words flowing and build your writing momentum. You can even join online writing sprints with other writers for added accountability and motivation. As you build your stamina, it will make you write more. It gradually increases the duration of your sprints as well. Distractions. God, I hate distractions. Is your writing progress constantly hindered by distractions? In today's fast paced, technology driven world, it's easy to get sidetracked from your writing goals. What if there's a way to create a focused environment that allows you to write faster and more efficiently? Which is there is. And probably you're doing it already. I know this is close to unattainable in like removing all the distractions in your life, especially if you have a family, people around you that need you, but I want you to try. And these people aren't distractions, by the way. They shouldn't be. They should be inspirations. They're inspirations. Look at me. They are inspirations. I digress. But isn't it impossible to completely avoid distractions? It is. While perfection may be unattainable, you can significantly reduce interruptions with the right strategies. First and foremost, find a quiet place, a space where you can work uninterrupted. Noise canceling headphones can be a lifesaver, can be a blessing if you need to block out any background noise. Next, please turn off those pesky notifications on your devices and use website blocking apps to keep yourself from getting sidetracked. Turn off your Wi Fi. Finally, let your family and friends, enemies, know your writing schedule so that they can minimize interruptions. Many writers get bogged down by the desire to craft a perfect sentence or scene, and in return, it hinders their progress. The solution to this may seem counterintuitive, but it's a powerful tool that successful authors swear by. Best-selling author Anne Lamott famously advocates for writing bad first drafts to keep the creative flow going. She used a different word than bad. I used to curse like a sailor. I miss it. By embracing imperfection and focusing on forward momentum, you can significantly increase your writing speed and output. But won't this lead to a subpar final product? Not if you trust in the editing process to refine your work later. That's a keyword, refine your work later. Later. Guys, embrace imperfection and keep moving forward. When you're writing your first draft, silence that inner critic and focus on getting words on the page, even if they're not perfect. Use placeholders for research, descriptions, or names you can't think of right away, and fill them in later. If you get stuck on a scene, don't let it hold you back. Skip ahead to the next one and keep writing. Remember, the goal is to keep moving forward and get that story out of your head and onto the page. Screw grammar. Worry about that later. Later. In the digital age, writers have access to a wide array of tools and technologies designed to streamline the writing process. The key lies in leveraging the right tools and technologies to support your writing goals. By incorporating these tools in your writing routine, you can dramatically increase your word count and finish your book faster. So, I'm gonna give you a couple of writing tools to help you do that. You can use writing software with built in organizational features like Scrivener or Ulysses to keep your project structured and easily accessible. Try dictation software such as Dragon or built in speech to text tools to write faster by speaking your words aloud. And check out apps like Write or Die or For the Words that gamify the writing process and provide incentives for meeting your word count goals each day. Many writers, including me, find it challenging to maintain the discipline and the drive needed to write consistently and efficiently. But there's a psychological trick that you could use to boost your motivation. And by implementing this strategy, you can harness the power of incentives and consequences to propel your writing forward and achieve your goals faster, finish that book faster. And the strategy is simply setting rewards and consequences for your writing goals. Try setting up a reward system for meeting your daily or weekly targets, like treating yourself to your favorite snack or activity. On the flip side, create consequences for not meeting your goals, such as donating to a cause you disagree with or tackling an unpleasant chore. And don't forget to use habit tracking apps to visualize your progress and keep that motivation going strong. Honestly, I'm just happy seeing the word count progressing. That's my way to visualize my progress. So, with a little self incentivizing, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can write and how much you can achieve. Now that you've learned these powerful strategies for writing faster, you might be wondering how to put them all together and create a compelling story. That's where scene structure comes in. By understanding the key elements of a well crafted scene, you can write more efficiently and effectively, ensuring that every part of your story is engaging and purposeful. In our next video, we'll dive deep into the secrets of scene structure and how it can take your writing to the next level. You'll learn how to hook readers from the very first line, create tension and conflict that keeps them turning the pages, and deliver satisfying resolutions that leave them eager for more. So, if you're ready to master the art of scene structure and become a faster, more confident writer, be sure to check out our next video. Just click the link in the description below or somewhere here, and let's keep writing together. I'll see you there.